Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Mer and I'm back with another video for you guys. So the last time I put out one video, it was on my birthday, and today is the day before my birthday. So as you can see, I look so fucking rough right now. Sorry for the language. But today is the day where I am going to go and get my hair done, my nails and my lashes, get my eyebrows shaved. I don't know what I can do to my toenail because I kind of have like 1.5 big toenail. Like my big toe, I'm going to do surgery on it. So like one of them is only a half a nail in there. So I'm going to show it to my nail tech and like see what she can do. I don't have a lot of space. So I don't know if this video is going to be long or what, but I know it's going to be motherfucking lit. Okay? It's gonna be lit. So right now I'm just gonna get ready. What I really a pre for my birthday, I feel like for those get my hair done, my nails, whatever. I'm probably go work in the evening tomorrow. I'm not sure as yet. Because I have an appointment tomorrow as well. I'm not gonna tell you now what the appointment be yet, but I have an appointment tomorrow at 10 o'clock in the day. So when I do pre for like in a my little space, and I know some like purple and yellow. Purple and yellow is my favorite color. So I do want for like fix up my little space in my room, like get some new sheets and so forth, and just I don't know, do some little design in my room. I don't know if I gonna have the time because I have work in the evening. I have work at 6 and it's now 12:25, and braids I want to get done, and my nails. My nails are gonna take time. Braids are gonna take time. I'm never book no appointment with anybody because I'm never sure if some funds are gonna land on my account for today. Because every single fund I'm know about tomorrow it's supposed to land. So I'm not really have much liquid cash for today. But we have some, so we are gonna work with what we have, right? Alright, so me not gonna talk no more and jot the video. A long time not listen. Me not gonna talk no more and jot the video, but that's how I take a shower. Me not even gonna come here since me I go because I the hair just me I go. Me not even know where me I go, where we go for the road. But I don't know, but I'm so excited because I haven't done my hair in a hot minute, bro. Like I'm excited for the see how the face I go change up and whatnot. Okay, so the style that I'm thinking about getting is a boho braids. I don't know if I'll put it on my shoulder or down to my ass. Anyway, as me say, I'm not gonna talk any further. So right now, I'm gonna get ready. One time when you see me again, I'm going up on the road. I go about my business. Yeah. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is the outfit. I'm telling you from now, my arm want shave. So if you don't see no little flashes are here, it's that. I'm gonna deal with that tonight. Yeah, but this is the outfit. Yeah. This is what the girl is rocking. Let's go. Hey guys, so I am back from off the road. I have a whole heap of update to you. One time I tell you I think, this one time I tell you why I'm here and my nails not do, you can't even believe me. Cause like, brother, me have to wonder, me really have to wonder. But me don't like the aesthetics behind me because like the wall is sweat. But anyways, it is pouring, the rain are pour outside. Like, I have a little update for you, so I'm going to give it to you one time. My sister go buy the bulb and come back because the bulb run in my room blow, so that's why I don't see me there around here. So. But I want you to look update. Boy. It's like me here just never did feel today. Because it's like no matter how me I try to get the hair done, guys. Every little thing just come boops, no? Me I try, guys, to push through because do my ear, no? I never get the chance to do my hair, so I'm gonna make my sister do one little ponytail in a hit for now, and then tomorrow I focus on that. But anyways, guys, one time I go down there, Right? Me did end up coffee. You know, collect something. So one time I go for a collect it. It end up whole heap of delays. Whole heap of delays did end up popping. So me never get the chance to go do me here as fast as how me would have want to do it, alright? One time I finally get the chance now to move off, when time I don't deal with deal with, and I say now I get the chance to move off, and one time I look, be a rain start fall, alright? And if that is not a clear sign that me here must not be today. Me now say, you know, some more me here for do say me they go walking in the rain. So me now, me they walking in the rain, When time I look the rain come down harder, so me end up have to stop under one little part. And say, you know, me I go wait until it breeze off. So when the rain finally ease up a little bit, I say, alright, let me hurry up and go try say me can still get the hair to do. Because initially I did boho braids, me say me I go do. So me say, you know, me try to do the lemonade braids. Bro, you see one time me finally reached down in the town. One time I reached down in the town, when me look, no current. Walk up in the edges of place, me say, Lord God, by some miracle make that lady can do me here. Yeah, me now, ask the lady, miss, they can still, you know, me ask her, say, if it would have been like a case where she not going to do no here now, because no current here, and she say, no, she not going to do no here. So, that is why my hair is not done for my birthday. But me did well, guys, me did well want me hair for my birthday. Me did just want to look cute, like a nice little princess, and then I have my fingernail do. But I guess it's really pandy day on my birthday. But me don't know how that's going to work out, because I also have my makeup to do. I already scheduled my makeup. I already set an appointment for my makeup though. And me never get to set an appointment to pick up my key. So I don't know how that's going to work out. Because I have so much things planned for tomorrow. And I still want to go one nice little place and take one little photo shoot and so on. So I don't know how that's going to work out. Guys, you see, I'm man, she keep on walking in my video. Anyways, so I now make this long because I now put my space for my phone. I go comb my hair. Then my sister go put a little ponytail in my hair, so when time she do it, I make her see how it look. Yeah. Guys, you see me off? Here again, guys. So this is me. This is what I'm gonna be wearing on the road. Yeah, I saw me up on the road. I feel like I'm gonna just get one little birthday outfit for go and walk up and down, you know. I'll get something for just go and put on for the time being while I'm here I get done. I now walk up and down like this. I'm a birthday sash, I'm a birthday this, my birthday something up here, so I feel like I go like one little dress settings and so. Yeah. And then I'll get my hair done. The main focus I have to get my hair done because it's the hardest part. My hair and my nails. After that, I can find somewhere else. Even if the makeup artist don't want to reschedule, because I get one makeup artist and I text her yesterday and I set one appointment for 10 o'clock, but it not going to work out for 10 o'clock, so I text her after 8 and ask her if she can reschedule. But I don't know if she want to reschedule. But if she don't want to reschedule, I just have to use somebody else or just go down on makeup, because even though I never want to do that, but either way, it's going to work. Hey guys, so I'm finally the inside of the hairdresser chair. This is me. I'm get one different outfit when I come down here. I'm going to show it to you. As you can see, well, I'm not going to see, but I run out of space, so I'm not going to make the pieces of video them too long. I'm just have to bear with me until I get my SD card. I have a few little things for filling out in pan. So I decide against the boho braids. I don't know, I just feel like say, I'm do it 2 times already, 3 times already, more on something different. So I'm going to try one different style lemonade braids, what I see online. hopefully fit my face. Get some nice, some cute little lashes put on and some little fingernail and call it a day. Yeah. Hey again guys, so this is the where the hair is at. And John, I'm not telling line. Right now I feel hungry, I want to get something to eat. So I just wait until when time this done, I just go grab something. I check in with you now. By the time I check in back, the hair will have finished by then. Hey guys, so this is how the girl is looking. My hair is finally finished and I'm in love with the look. Listen, this hair brought on my anxiety. Give me a minute. Hello? Yes guys, as I was saying before I was rudely interrupted. So my hair is finished. I'm in love with the look. I'm gonna put some TikTok videos I'm gonna make here so with my birthday outfit and my birthday sash and with me when I go collect the cake. Oh guys, my birthday cake says title mirror. Title. Yeah, so this is where I'm gonna be ending the vlog. This is basically me getting prepped for my birthday. I might drop in the nails part because as you can see my nails not do yet. But tonight, I'm not telling you. Bye. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned.
Only if a man want the pretty, I know for everybody. Maybe can't tell how me really need you. That head where you give me today.
Glow like ya. Tell her your night, just enjoy your life. One more year on the pussy there. Picture perfect when you're make money, boss lady. My baby, boss lady. Big up every girl with confidence.